अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ एक्सप्लोर चाइना विद आसिम। वजूद जन से है तस्वीर कायनात में रंग। I think viewers you can understand by my this sentence that what is our today's topic. Behind me you can see the ladies street. Actually in the China they have made this very beautiful street just for the shopping of the ladies. There are many things inside. We will explore one by one. We will tell you the details, and because of their beauty tips, because of their shopping, because of their clothing and many things we will explore here. I am in front of Freed Pretty Girls. As you just enter in the female street, the women's street, you will see this thing. That this name Freed is actually the name of this plaza. And this is very big plaza, very big shopping plaza. Many kinds of things are here. So not only for the females, even the gents, kids, all the accessories related to them are available here. So we are in the basement of that plaza, and this is the Freed Pretty Girls area. Viewers, beside me is my friend Mr. Robot. Actually, this is one kind of receptionist in the plaza. He will help you about everything. Means if you want to search the restaurant, if you want to search a clothing shop, if you want to search a spa, if you want to search anything, eating food, anything, whatever you want, you just touch on the screen of the head of this robot. He will guide you which floor, which area, which street, as well as if you speak with him, he will also guide you. So Mr. Robot is very nice. Viewers, I am inside the female clothing shop, and many styles of clothes here. These are the, oh yes, this is the crop top shirt, and here are some pants. Yes, jeans pant and the short knickers. Oh wow, vêtements, and you see on this vêtement there is the vegetable patterns. All the vegetables of this season are available here on the shirt. Means if you want, if you like the vegetables, if you are vegetarian, then wear this shirt. You will feel the taste of vegetables. Oh wow, I have seen some portrait of some world famous stars, and time flies so fast, but still the stars are stars, and in this women's street they are still the beauty icon in the front of wall of the clothing shop and the beauty salons. They are really amazing. Viewers, I am in the butterfly shop, so you can see here there are the female clothes. I want to tell you that the Chinese females in their normal life, they don't want to wear their traditional dress, means that long shirts and their original traditional dress. They prefer to wear the western clothes and the easy clothes. In those clothes there are the pants, you can see there are the some skirts, some crop top shirts, some long shirts. They prefer to wear these clothes with the various designs, various colors, as well as we can say that means very easy dress and easy wearings in their normal life, because most of the females are the working females, and to have the traditional clothes for them is really an art. To fix it, to manage it, and to do the work with those clothes, it's really very difficult. So they prefer to wear the western style clothes. Viewers, I am looking at one grocery shop here. Oh wow, here are so many products related to the female. You can see, oh wow, the nail paints. This is the red color nail paint, the pink color nail paint, and golden brown, and their prices are also very reasonable. And here are some earrings, many kind of earrings. Let's see the price. Yes, it's about 40 RMB, and they are very good looking and very good quality, and even 15 RMB and 25 RMB. Means in this grocery shop the products, means the earrings, are the small perfumes related to the female, are their nail paints, they are at the very reasonable price, very cheap price. So this is the different shapes, beautiful shapes of perfume. Oh, lavender. Wow, let's check the fragrance. It's good. It is a female perfume, so I am not applying on me. Here's one more interesting detail is here. You can see these are the hair, artificial hair. In the China, female like to change their hairstyles. Rather to cut their original hair, they will, or to damage their original hair, or to change the shape, they will prefer to use these kind of artificial hair with the various style, with the various color, various dyes. So this is their one kind of fashion style. Viewers, here are these are the some scarf, female scarf, flight attendant scarf. You can see female wear it in the neck and they make a knot and it looks very beautiful. And these are the silky scarf. This is the polyester, 100% polyester. There are some 50% silk, some are even 100% silk. As you buy, as you move towards the silk, then the price of the scarf will be high. But the polyester is also very beautiful looking, and with the various colors, with the various designs, you can use it in the normal routine, and it is very reasonable. Viewers, here I want to show you one thing. This thing you can see, these are the eyelid tape. The most of the Chinese female, they have the single eyelid, and this is one of their complex also. So they always like to make their eyelids double eyelid. So they use this couple tape and put it on the eyelid and make it the double. As well as they also like the big eyes. This is one of their complex, and they in every shop I have seen this product, that is the eyelid tape. Viewers, it's very interesting. What is the relationship of plants with the clothes? According to my idea, I think when female are choosing the clothes inside, then their partner males are outside and they can kill their time by watering these plants. Good detail. Viewers know I am in the shoe shop, and they have many varieties of shoes. Some are the normal dress shoes, and here along my side these are all are the female shoes, because we are in the women's street. Some are the party shoes, and some are the casual shoes, as well as the joggers. I want to share with you that the Chinese female, they mostly like to wear the joggers in their normal routine, because the joggers are very convenient to walk and to go to the job and for the work. But for the special occasions, they will use some kind of party shoes, high heel shoes, and these shoes are also available here with the reasonable price. Viewers, in the women's street there is also the makeup store. So, and they also have some seats and the mirror also. So here are the makeup artists. They will suggest you which makeup is suitable to your skin and how to apply. And even there are some testing system. You can use some of the makeup according to your choice and test it before buying. So this is also very amazing thing here. So many kinds of makeup are available, and many kind of things are available here. Viewers, this is the very interesting corner of the women's street, and besides me are the so many rich nail paint shops, and this is just like the menu of the restaurant. As you go outside, there are different styles and different colors of the nails, nail paints. As female come here, they will choose by themselves which kind of nail, which length, which color they want, and then they will say to the shopkeeper and they will fix for them. And according to your style and according to your choice, price can vary from less to high. Here we can show you many rich nail paint shops, and some people are working, some are in the queue, and this is also very great idea for the luxurious life of female in China. Viewers, know I am inside one nail painting and spa shop, and here they have the various kinds of the colors and the nail paints, as well as you can see here around me they have the spa bed, and here even female can do the grafting of their eyelets and small means the hair in the eyelets. This is the area where they do this job. And as well as here are some kinds of big brand nail paints from the lower quality to the higher quality. It's up to you what you fix with the shopkeeper. Viewers, I am here in a vacant space, an empty shop, and this area I think they are waiting for the new investor. I am you, you are me, we are one. So in the real estate business of the China, there are many requirements. they give you the space by the square feet. So this is very good area. If someone wants to invest here, must come here. And the products related to the women, in the women's street you can have this kind of very beautiful area and very beautiful space. You can decorate according to your idea, according to your own design and according to your product design. So you will have the good business and it's a good chance. Viewers, Chinese like the street style very much, and that's why they often use the earrings in the very strange areas of their body. As you can see here, even the male and female, they use the earrings. We have seen the the rings in the ear, but even they can use these rings in the tongue, even on the eyebrow, as well as in the navel area. And also beside this thing, they can puncture the that area where they want to insert the ring. They have one jewelry shop beside it. So if someone just have the hole in the ear, they can buy the jewelry also from them. Even this jewelry is the artificial jewelry as well as the silver jewelry. And here there are also some gold shops are also available. So if someone like to buy the gold jewelry, they can have the gold jewelry to insert in that punctured hole. Viewers, during the shopping, people often get tired and feel hungry. So in the women's street, there are also many food stalls, many kinds of food, traditional foods, some foreign food are also, and some BBQ, some kind of you can say fast food is also available here. So no need to worry. If you come here for the shopping, you can have the shopping, you can kill your hunger, you can kill your time, and everything is available in one place with a jumbo package. Viewers, this is the women's street, and you can see here female is the chef, and they are making some kind of chicken pakore. Viewers, today we have explored the women's street, and I think that all the female must like this because of a variety of shoe shops, a variety of clothing shops, a variety of cosmetics and the beauty shops, beauty salons, nail painting shops, and many things. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.